So this is going to be a bit of a different video for this channel. I don't believe I've ever actually done a Christmas light video before, but I do know several people who follow my channel who are Christmas light enthusiasts. I haven't really spoken much about it here, but I happen to be one myself, and I just picked these up today. If they are what the picture on the box represents, then they are something that is starting to get really, really hard to find. Especially in the icicle flavor. We've got focus. These Philips branded 200 mini lights in 7-color multi. We got 2 sets of 100 lights in each box. Got clear icicles and clear regular. Just FYI, I did peek inside one of these boxes before I started loading up my cart, just to confirm that they are indeed incandescent. It's kind of hard to see on the multi. But you might be able to tell on the clear that that is definitely an incandescent filament. Also, quick buyer beware. They tend to stock these right next to the regulars on the shelf, and I did accidentally pick up a box of the regular. So we won't be opening that or demonstrating it because I do plan to exchange it. But anyway, I'm gonna go turn the overhead lights off. While I do that, enjoy a few seconds of this lovely aluminum Christmas tree. And I've already got the extension cord set up. Working with some cramped space here, so bear with me. The first set, we're going to look at the multi. And we got 2 sets of 100 lights. Says it includes 8 spare steady bulbs and 12 spare twinkle bulbs and 2 spare fuses, which would be these little packets right here. Instruction sheet. And without further ado, let's go ahead and plug these in so you can see the color with them lit and see how they twinkle. So we got, let's see, is this out or it's just, yeah, that's just loose. Anyway, give them a second to start twinkling, and they are exactly what they say on the box. These are old-fashioned incandescent twinkle lights. Yeah, after Ace Hardware in my area stopped carrying them, I was pretty much racking my brain trying to figure out where else I could find these. And these Philips branded sets just happened to surface on the shelves of my local Target. At least I never noticed them in years prior. But anyway, yeah, that's where you can get them. As with every kind of national brand, any national chain store, of course, product selection varies from store to store, region to region, so your mileage may vary. But anyway, there's the multis. Now let's unbox the clears. All the same contents, except the bulbs are just clear glass instead of multicolor. Weirdly, these lights actually have polarity protected plugs, which you don't often see on mini lights. You see them plenty on C7s and C9s, but barely if ever on mini lights. And they twinkle and shimmer, just like the old ones. There's these. Lastly, we will unbox the Icicles. Again, same contents. But the product itself is a little bit different. So we'll plug these in. Let them warm up till they start to twinkle a bit. These are going to look amazing on my roof line. So anyway, there you have it. Some Philips branded incandescent twinkle lights in clear and multi and clear icicles. Available at Target.